Hey everybody, so this is question 16 from the Unit 8 study guide. I'm going to do some more videos with a few more questions, but a couple of people were kind of urgently asking about this question, so I figured I would go ahead and do this really quickly, and then I'll post some more stuff on Tuesday when I would normally post the new things. So the question says the equation P of t equals 1 times e to the t power represents a population of bacteria in thousands, ooh, that's important, in thousands, t days after it was first counted. Here's a graph of y equals p of t. Select all true statements. Okay, except for on your test, you'll have to select all true statements. Here, you're going to fill in these statements to make them true. So one important thing is where it says in thousands. That means this 1 actually means 1,000. And that is actually the starting amount of our population. Okay, so the first statement says ln of blank is the number of days until the population reaches 50,000. Well, if my first equation is in this format with e, let's y equals 1e to the t power. Well, if I wanted to know where y equaled 50, I would set up an equation and solve that equation. So if I divide both sides by 1, I just get 50 equals e to the t power. And then in order to find t, the number of days, I would take the natural log of both sides, right? So ln of 50 equals ln of e to the t power. The ln and the e cancel out. So ln 50 equals t. And t would have been the number of days it took to reach 50,000. So to rewrite that statement as a natural log statement, 50 would go in here in the parentheses. So the second one says, what is a reasonable approximation for the natural log of 20? Okay, so from here, I know that the natural log of 50 is the number of days until the population reaches 50,000. So the natural log of 20 should be the number of days for it to be 20,000, right? Okay, so I'm going to look for 20,000. There's my 20,000, and if I go over here to my graph, I get right there, and that's about 3 days. Okay, what is the logarithmic form of y equals e to the t power? Well, we kind of did that up there. Y equals e to the t power. We would do ln of both sides. And we would get the natural log of y equals t. So then we have to select our true or false statements down here. The value of e to the 3.5 power is greater than 30. So this number down here is t. So e to this power. So e to the 3.5 power, well, does that come out to greater than 30? It sure does. It ends up right up there between 30 and 40. So that's a true statement. The value of the natural log of 30 is less than 3.5. So I want to go and see when y is 30, what is t? So when y is 30, t is right here, slightly less than 3.5, so that statement is also true. Okay, so this was question 16. Stay tuned for some more problems off of the study guide, and then I will let you guys know when to go ahead and do your test. A few of you have already done it. That's fine. You get 3 attempts to do the test. So if you didn't quite get where you wanted to be the first time, maybe go through some of the study guide questions with me and try again. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.